Let's take you to the coast now. There are now calls for leaders in the Kenyan coast to urgently establish rehabilitation centers to take care of drug addicts who have started to suffer from drug withdrawal symptoms. Drug addiction counselors are worried that the number of those suffering from such are likely to swell owing to the ongoing crackdown on drug dens. John Juma reports from the coast.
National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse, NACADA, says as the crackdown continues on drug dens in the Kenyan coast region, many drug addicts will suffer from withdrawal conditions and the matter may turn severe if no action is taken. Peter Mutua Musili from Kwale County is one of such victims.
Utenganishi wa familia yangu ni kupitia kwa madawa na niliingia bila kujua, na shida ni kuacha. Siwezi kuacha kwa sababu sina dawa. Nikipata dawa ya kuacha nitashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu, kujiunga na Wakenya watu nijenge taifa langu.
Turure is painful. To see somebody like we saw in Kwale yesterday. They die there, you think they are just goats. They are not goats. They are human beings. They are sick people.
After developing severe withdrawal conditions, he was rushed to Diani Health Center where he is now under treatment.
Walijaribu kutafuta mishipa yangu, wanidunga waniweke drops za maji, ikasindikana, na mpaka sasa hii walinipatia vitembe vya kumeza na meza na havinisaidii chochote.
But Mutua is not alone. Several others have been affected since the crackdown began. The peddlers have gone into hiding, and those who dare sell are charging from 250 shillings or more per single gram, different from the previous 200 shillings. The rehab centers and few hospitals are set to start the use of methadone treatment for the victims.
Addicts were anticipated, addicts are expected. UNODC have provided a fair amount of methadone, which can handle the first 2 days, the withdrawal symptoms. And the hospitals should style up and just come up straight and help these people.
Mututho, who was leading discussions with NACADA officials and county security officers on how to deal with drug withdrawal challenges, said there is need for emergency measures to be put in place.
We are discussing emergency plan as NACADA with other agencies, particularly UNODC, to have an emergency supply, and also the doctors themselves who can handle these people.
Abbas Mwinyi, the programs coordinator at the Reach Out Trust Center for Drug Users, says it takes less than 1 day for withdrawal effects on drug addicts to turn severe.
Very, very uncomfortable. Sababu they are experiencing pain physically, pengine katika viungo vyao vya mwili, na anakuwa na kama fever, na unaweza kumuona pengine kijasho kinamtoka lakini mwili anasikia baridi, maumivu katika viungo, tumbo linaweza kumkata, even kuharisha, wengine inaweza kufikia kwa kiwango cha kuwa anatapika, unaona, na inakuwa pia hata pia usingizi, inakuwa shida kupata usingizi. Hiyo ni kitu kawaida inatokea.
Currently, there are only 4 functioning rehabilitation centers in Mombasa to cater for the over 23,000 drug addicts in the county. The National Youth Service is expected to reopen their facility at Miritini to help rehabilitate other drug addicts. Already, the ongoing recruitment has attracted hundreds of youths. Officials say the youths who will be found to be drug addicts will be rehabilitated as part of the NYA's programs. John Juma, KTN News, Mombasa.